Don't look at me. I love you.
Okay, so, okay, yeah, I would.
Um, I would like to tell you something first before I answer this question. I learned so much from you because when I shot English Babu Desi Meme with you, I was just 12 years old and you made me a good human being. You taught me dancing and everything, like how to be on sets. And hats off to you. Because of you, I am here.
And thank you. Now you make me feel very old also. She was only 12 years old then. See?
Yeah, I used to call you Bijuria. I mean, my name was Bijuria in that film and I used to call you Shah Rukh uncle.
Okay. Don't call me Shah Rukh uncle today, please.
So kids, they learn from us, they observe us, and I tell her the difference between positive and negative behavior most of the time. And you know, that is there in my conscious that she's around me. So most of the time I talk to her in kids' voice. Okay?
ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा नहीं है.
So she learns from us. So I make sure that she knows the difference between positivity and negativity. So the conversations are most of the time very positive.
But like if you, have you had that occasion when you're talking adults and the kid walks into a conversation which may be embarrassing for them? Do you allow that to continue? Do you explain things openly? Have the times changed so much that you say, okay, this is what we are talking about and this is the amount that you're supposed to know right now? Not yet.
No, I've never done that. I mean, I make sure that I change topic.
Okay.
Or I make sure she's in a different room, but I never explain that.
Okay, I think mothers are gentler. I think fathers should do that. If there is a topic which needs to be touched upon, which is a little iffy, I think you can perhaps go ahead and, you know, explain it to them quietly in their own way.
Next time I'll try that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. And how old is your baby?
She's 11.
11 years old. And where does she study?
She's in. She
Keep
studies
it close.
in AVM Juhu.
Sorry, yeah, I feel that. Yeah. And keep it closer. Yeah. Okay, Kamal, the question to you is, does your kid get time to be a kid? Or like parents do, we all do, we make this mistake, we push them too hard to keep on working. But does he get time to be a kid?
As a parent, I try to ensure she gets enough time as a kid. And I think this place has been a boon because at every given opportunity, my daughter wants to be here. And I think this is the best place where they can be a kid without any kind of pressure.
Thank you, Kamal. Yeah, and we'll take your suggestion also. We should start having, what do they call it? Night overs, no. Sleepovers. Sleepovers, yeah. We should, pajama parties and sleepovers in Kidzania, okay? So I'm going to tell them. Thank you, Kamal. How often do you compliment your child and reward your child? Are you complimentary? I'm not talking about just being madly in love with our children as we are, because we think our kids are the best. But beyond that, if they do something right, do you sit down, compliment them? And specifically because I love girls, I do compliment my daughter a lot, from beauty to work. So do you compliment on their achievements and stuff?
Shah Rukh, I love you. I just want to tell you that first. I just love you. And yes, I do compliment her and I do reward her. I tell her that she's a princess and I tell her that she's very beautiful. We have this reward chart at home where she gets gold stars for doing all the right things she does. And I guess we've learned this from our parents that none of us are perfect and it's always nicer to highlight their, don't look at me, I love you.
Okay, so, okay, yeah, I would, it's suddenly, you see, don't look at me, so I'm thinking of my song, इस प्यार से मेरी तरफ ना देखो. Thank you, yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Can you say hi to my son, Arhan there?
Hi. How are you? Oh, how beautiful is he? MashaAllah.
Thank you.
There you go. You also can do a pledge what you'll allow your
Board
kids
is going to be
do.
outside. I request all parents to please sign the pledge with their theory of empowerment and how they'd like to make the world a better place.
Kamal, you start. Oh, sorry, I'll read it. Okay. To allow my kids to make their own informed decisions. And why I say own, because if they make it wrong, we are there as parents and teachers to make sure that the information is given to them and correct them if they go wrong. But allow them to go wrong. I really believe children should be allowed to go wrong because otherwise, I don't think they will ever figure out what is the right way to go. Sometimes we overprotect. ये नहीं करो, वो नहीं करो, वो गलत है, ये ठीक है, गिर जाओगे. I think how, as the kid is growing up, learning to walk, we allow them to fall a bit so they know it's not good to fall. I think we need to allow them to have their own informed decisions. That's what I've been.